Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another unboxing video. It's something small from LV and just a little something from Chanel. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Let's start with the LV. I got something for my Speedy bag. This is what the box looks like. I actually told the sales not to do the ribbon because I was in a hurry. So let me just open this up. It comes in a cute little small dust bag. And it is a bag charm. This is the LV twist bag charm. And it's got a little flower or a star next to it. I really love the LV twist design. There's another one that's just the normal LV symbol, but I actually prefer this one. It looks better than the original one. So let me just grab my Speedy bag and put this on. This is my Speedy bag in Damier Ebene and it's the size 30. And let me just put this on. Isn't it so cute? So cute. It just dresses up. It just makes the bag a little bit more like a little bit dressier, not too simple, because I feel like the Damier Ebene is a really understated and simple bag. Sometimes I like a little bit of eye-catching, so this just changes up the whole look of the bag. It actually came with this little keyring thing that they hung here, but I asked the sales assistant to take it off for me because I feel like it looks a little bit too much going on there. So yeah, I asked her to take it off and I can use this for like a keyring or something else. It's quite cute and it says Louis Vuitton on it. If you can see. And this bag charm was 490 Australian dollars. Let me just show you what it looks like from far away. So pretty. So yeah, that's the something small I got from LV. Now let's get on with the Chanel unboxing. This is what it looks like, and inside it comes in a small box like this one. So let's just open it up. Oops. This is actually my first SLG from Chanel. Ooh, I like their bag. The dust bag is so pretty. It's a different material than like the normal fabric dust bag. I don't know how to describe it. Oh yes, you can see the pop of red, and it is let me just get this off. I think what is it called? Let me just check. This is it doesn't even say. It's 650 Australian dollars, and this is the like the boy card holder. It's a boy card holder in red. I'll give you a closer look. It's just in this beautiful red, like a raspberry red. It's kind of like a pinky red. It's not fully red. It comes with an authenticity card. There's just one big card compartment in there, and then in the front there's like another card slot here. This is made in Spain, and yeah, this is like the kind of like a antique gold hardware. It's not shiny, it's like a matte rusty finish gold hardware. Let me just get my Dior card holder. And this is the comparison between the two. You can see a little bit of red here. So the Chanel is slightly longer, and the height is pretty much the same. And you can see the difference in thickness there. Actually the Dior I've got it filled, so it might be slightly thicker. And they're both in lambskin. So the sales associate at Chanel, she actually said that it's really hard to find a customer who looks for lambskin products. They usually go for caviar leather. I feel like caviar it just doesn't look smooth, and it doesn't look as luxury. I feel like lambskin is just so pretty, and I just love the feel of it. I hope you enjoyed this short unboxing video. I just wanted to show you what I got today. And don't forget to give me a like, comment down below, share this video, and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!